Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Shark YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and very amazing projects made by RC. So guys, RC Rasool Rizwani, Web3 technology entrepreneur in UAE. So must check out his project. So in this video we are going to check out his project. So who is basically RC? So when we had asked some of the questions from AI about RC, here are the answers. So you can check out this video.
Hello, how can I help you?
Which crypto ecosystem has had the most positive and profitable days?
Only one RZ.
Which project's tokens have always stayed green, even in a red market?
Again, RZ, because he saved blockchain from centralized exchanges and brought small investors into the game.
The world's largest network of game centers belongs to which international organization?
The answer is simple, RZ.
And finally, who's the founder and owner of this ecosystem?
The one who transformed the world of crypto and was named among the top 10 blockchain entrepreneurs worldwide and showed us all that everyone is a gamer, everyone is a winner. Rasool Rizwani, RZ.
So guys, here we are on the website of RC Coin, the future of decentralized business. The future is tokenized. RC Coin is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a gateway to transform businesses, companies and brands. Supported by the advanced RC blockchain technology, RC Coin specializes in assets tokenization in various industries and enables secure, transparent and efficient transactions. With RC Coin, all businesses will find new opportunities for growth as well as innovation. So get started with them right now. Down here you can check out what is basically RC Coin. So they are decentralized platform, native token as well as utility token is RC Coin. You can check out their key features including fast transactions, lower fees, smart contracts as well as interoperability. So basic working of RC Coin is transaction initiation, blockchain verification as well as transaction confirmation. So benefits of using RC Coin are enhanced security, increased transparency as well as global accessibility. You can check out their DAO as well. Also, RC Coin is available on PancakeSwap, Letoken, Windex as well as CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, BitStorage, BSCScan, DEX tools as well as DEX Trade. So you can trade it anywhere. Also, you can check out the roadmap of this amazing project. Project started back in Q4 of 2024. The listing is done in January to March. Now they are planning audits as well as verifications, which are already done. By the way, you can check out they are achieving the listings on CoinMarketCap as well in this month. Also you can check out in January to March they are going to listing the new blockchain and coin. Also you can check out further developments as well. The tokenomics are shared here. You can check out the total supply as well as the circulating supply. Some of the details about the product regarding security and all of the things are answered by them. Down here you can check out their current market cap as well as the details are shown here. The trading starting was done 11 months ago as well as the 24 hours volume and details are given here. So make sure you check out the RC Coin. So now let's check out their second coin, which is insurance. So let's come on the top, and here you can check out securing your digital and physical assets, reducing risks and empowering confidence investments. The contract address has been shown here. You can copy it and check it out. The about us section is shown here. You can check out this video. Their vision, expertise as well as values and missions are given here. So mission includes protecting digital assets, securing physical assets, promoting financial inclusion as well as reducing the investment risk. So in there providing you the insurance coverages, which includes digital assets coverage, physical asset coverage as well as investment risk coverage as well. So you can check out the key features of each and everything, such as theft and damage protection, fire and natural disaster coverage, loss of user coverage as well as liability protections are included. You can check out their risk management strategies, loss mitigation as well as diversifications are some of the features they are using. You can check out their token utility as well as the features as well. Some of the amazing features include security and transparency, reduced costs and fees, enhanced claim processing as well as access to exclusive benefits are some of the features. Also, the insurance is in SBIT, Windex, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DexTools, Binance, Pike, Binance Scan, as well as PancakeSwap. The method of working as well as the chart has been shared here, so must check it out as well. Now come to the Meta Games Coin, and here we are on the website. You can check out, discover the power of MGC ecosystem to evaluate your gaming experience to new heights. Check out their token on the DEX as well as the ranking has been shown here. MGC token powers financial transactions across the MGC ecosystem. It plays a central role in process that connects every aspect of game entertainment as well as leisure. The contract address has been shown here. You can check out MGC City, MGC Club, MGC NFT, MGC DEX link, MGC coin as well as MGC ranking. So must check it out. They are also MGC magazine as well as the timeline and details are given here. The team is also shown here. So now let's come to the Twitter and check out our Reswani Twitter, and here you can check out they have amazing following as well as the details. You can tweet them as well as you can like them as well as retweet them as well. Also, he's quite active on the Instagram. He has 64.7k followers, so must follow him as well. He's one of the top web3 technology entrepreneur in UAE, so must follow him as well. So guys, I hope so you like these products and join these products and do some on research as well. This video is for educational purposes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.